Hi guys, Andrew Gamers here. In this video I'm going to show you how to acquire John Cena. This shouldn't be too hard because that's only the standard difficulty. As you can see, the skip the match is 30k, but I'm not going to do that. So let's go into the battle. Taking forever to upload. Taking forever to upload. Shit.
Here we go.
There's Rusev. Oh, Doomcloak, no way. Still no match. Caught. Ooh. That was actually a little bit too much. You know, the only downfall for Rusev is he's a little bit bugged. You can't block like you normally do in the other characters, but let's go! Mother Russia. Got one challenge left. There's one challenge point. That's it. That's the standard. I'm going to expert, and there it is, the John Cena. Of course, you get 25. That's normal. Now let's go to the collection. From the previous challenges that were 4 months ago, I think. Post Legendary 2. I'm gonna get into Legendary 4. Yeah. So that's it. Stay tuned to my channel because there's gonna be the challenges like this, the story mode, the online matches, the gear pack opening, the gear card showcase, and the collection, the whole collection. So yeah, until the next time guys, see you.